to the gym.
Gee, you're Tony the Tiger.
That's right, from Kellogg's Sugar Frosted Flakes. Also the boxing coach.
Only a real fighter coach.
Okay, killer. Now, the first thing is, put a tiger on your team with Kellogg's Sugar Frosted Flakes. They're crisp flakes of corn with a secret sugar frosting. Have them with milk or cream. They're jumping with energy.
They're good.
Good. They're great. Now, I'll steady the bag while you hit it. This ought to be good. Any more energy in that cereal and they can get themselves a new tiger.
Sugar Frosted Flakes also come in Kellogg's Snack Pack. 5 of Kellogg's ready sweetened favorites.
Yeah, there's just nothing like ice skating. It was wonderful fun way back in our grandparents' day, and it's still the favorite winter recreation, enjoyed by young and old everywhere. Now, time hasn't changed the fun of ice skating, nor the need to stop now and then, rest up, and refresh. And for fast refreshment, there's just nothing like a frosty bottle of Coca-Cola. So tangy in taste, so ever fresh and sparkle. Coke has a distinctive flavor that's never been equaled. And the way Coca-Cola brings you back so refreshed, so quickly. For Coke offers a bit of wholesome energy. Gives you a bright little lift just when you need it. In any season, enjoy bracing, ice-cold Coca-Cola. Perfect refreshment anytime.
There are times every day as you work or you play when a pause would be welcome to you. And it's then that you find the bright thought in your mind that only a Coke will do. 50 million times a day, at home, at work, or on the way, there's nothing like a Coca-Cola, nothing like a Coke.
Yes, 50 million times a day, at home, at work, or on the way. Enjoy the pause that refreshes with ice-cold Coca-Cola, the most asked-for soft drink in the world.
There's nothing like a Coca-Cola, nothing like a Coke.